Ever wondered why gastro problems are becoming more common in our modern world? It's a question that has been on the minds of many, and with good reason. Gastrointestinal troubles like indigestion, heartburn, bloating, and irritable bowel syndrome are increasingly prevalent, affecting people's daily lives in significant ways. The hustle and bustle of our contemporary times, coupled with changes in our lifestyle and diet, have played a significant role in this rise. We've swapped home-cooked meals for processed food, and our sedentary routines don't do us any favors either. It's a domino effect of sorts, with one bad habit leading to another, culminating in a series of gastrointestinal issues that can be debilitating. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are experts out there who have dedicated their lives to understanding and managing these health concerns. Among them is Dr. Karan R Rawat, one of the top gastroenterologists in Agra, who shares his insights on the causes and prevention of these health issues. Dr. Karan R Rawat, a renowned gastroenterologist, has a wealth of knowledge on the subject. With years of experience under his belt, Dr. Rawat has identified some key contributors to the rise in gastro problems in the modern world. First and foremost, unhealthy eating habits top the list. Consuming processed foods, overeating, or eating at irregular intervals can wreak havoc on our digestive system. Next, the lack of physical activity is another major culprit. Our sedentary lifestyles, glued to screens, deprive our bodies of the necessary movement to facilitate digestion. Moreover, stress, an unavoidable aspect of our fast-paced lives, has a direct impact on our gut health. It can lead to various disorders like gastritis, ulcers, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Dr. Rawat strongly emphasizes the importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains along with regular physical activity can significantly reduce the risk of gastro problems. As Dr. Rawat suggests, prevention is always better than cure. So how can we apply Dr. Rawat's advice to our daily life? In this video, we've examined the modern world's gastro problems, delving into their causes and, importantly, how we can prevent them. Dr. Karan R Rawat, a top gastroenterologist in Agra, has shared his expert advice which we can incorporate into our daily routines for better gut health. Firstly, mindful eating is key. Consuming balanced meals which are rich in fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats can greatly influence our gut health. Secondly, regular exercise, be it a brisk walk or a rigorous gym session, aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Let's not forget about managing stress. It's no secret that our mental well-being is deeply connected to our physical health. Techniques such as yoga, meditation, or simply taking time out to relax can significantly benefit our gut health. Remember, taking care of your gut is a vital step towards overall health. Let's make it a priority.